Hello, this is Ronen Cohen, and I'm a product manager for CTS Electronic Components, the RF ceramic group. And here we are at the MTTS show in Seattle 2013. Today we would like to talk about the new waveguide ceramic filter that is based on CTS core technology in RF ceramic technology area. So in the world of filters, we can see that there are some general types of filters that are available currently in the market. In the low end, we can find the SAW filters as well as the ceramic monoblocks. On the high end, we can see the air cavity filters, but essentially there is a little gap there for some of the applications that originally air cavities were governing the type of applications. CTS has recently came up with a new solution named ClearPlex, and is based on waveguide technology, all based on ceramic but waveguide concept. We have, in this show, we have announced our ClearPlex technology as being a newcomer, and essentially it's a game changer in the RF ceramic world. We're seeing a little different structure where CTS is actually using and utilizing its core competency in materials and ceramic material technology area. So some of the main attributes for this device, using that mechanical structure, we can achieve in a very small size higher Q than the traditional type of monoblock filters. The ability to eliminate some of the artworks and the coupling networking, we can get and achieve Q that is essentially reaching 30% more than the standard monoblock filters, and the wider area of the wider surface area allows us even to get to higher CW power, reaching in the range of 500 watts peak power. So what we would like to do is we would like to show here a very quick demonstration between the different types of filters that are out there, and basically the value that this technology allows to some of the application, especially in the areas of small cells where size, weight, and even the cost are very critical parameters. So in this live demonstration, what we would like to show is we would like to show the three levels of filter gradings that are out there or that are known. We will start with the monoblock, that is considered to be the lowest grade in performance when it comes to ceramic filters. And you could see here, this is an example of a band 2 type of TX RF ceramic filters. If we go up the ladder, or we will go to the other end of the scale, we have the air cavity, and that is another band 2 type of duplexer where we can see the RX and the TX. And then in the middle we have our ClearPlex, which is a patented ceramic waveguide filter. So if we look at the network analyzer, what we have right now is we pretty much have a snapshot plot that we took prior to this demonstration of the monoblock filter, and you could see some of the attributes that we have there. If we will connect the waveguide filter, you will be able to see how the higher Q factor of that bandpass filter gives us a tighter performance. So if we look at this snapshot, we could see much sharper attenuation levels and even better insertion loss compared to the standard monoblock filter. Now, if we move into the air cavity area, we'll basically recall another pre-saved setup. And what we can see is obviously the air cavity has a higher Q than the monoblock, but still the ability of the waveguide filter to get a very high Q, we can get much sharper rejection lines than the air cavity filter. And just to give kind of marking points, this is a TX filter, so we are reaching minus 70 dB on the RX side. Insertion loss are running somewhere in the range of about 2.5 dB. Okay, so all in all, the idea of this filter is to get into areas where size, weight, and cost are very critical, and it's pretty much extending the range of what RF ceramic filters used to do before. This is Ronen Cohen at the MTTS in Seattle 2013.